Hi, dear students. I am taking final year BCom Financial Accounting and that internal construction. So this is the problem appeared in the year 2015. Balance sheet is given like this. Then the adjustment is like this. See, on the date it was decided to reconstruct the company and the following scheme of reconstruction was agreed upon. So here it is given, we have to prepare the, we have to pass the journal entries and we have to prepare the balance sheet. So by reading each transaction, each adjustment, we can easily pass the journal entries. See, first one is preference shares to be reduced to the shares of rupees 5 each. So preference shares. See here preference shares, it is given 30,000 preference shares of rupees given 3 lakh. That means face value of the share is 10. But it is given here, it should be reduced to 5 each. So I already explained the theoretical aspect. They are altering the capital. Either they reducing the capital or they increase the capital. Here they reduce the preference share capital to 5 rupees. So journal entry is very easy. Now we are changing the preferential share capital. So the entry is preferential share capital account data. How much we are changing? This 3 lakh will be changing. How it will be changing? They given it should be reduced to rupees 5 each. So 2. Now its value is, now the preferential share capital is, so 30,000 preference shares. Now its face value is 5 rupees. That means 1,50,000. And the remaining should be transferred to reconstruction account. So the remaining should transfer to reconstruction account. So to reconstruction account. So this is the journal entry. So 1,50,000. See here, this is the preference share capital. This preference share capital should be reduced. How much? Rupees 5. So see the number of shares here, it is given 30,000. It should be reduced to 5. So 1,50,000. So 3 lakh minus 1,50,000. This balance should be always transferred to a separate account called as reconstruction account. So the entry is preferential share capital account data, preference share to preference share capital account to reconstruction account. And the narration is share being the preference shares reduced to rupees 5 each. So one journal entry is over. See the next transaction, once again it is given. Equity shares to be reduced to shares of rupees 1 each. Next is we have to change the equity shares. So second journal entry. See here, equity shares how much? 1 lakh equity shares. Rate is given 5 rupees. 5 lakh. So 1 lakh rupees 5 lakh means each share value is 5 rupees. So first we have to write the equity share capital as it is. Capital account data. Here we have to take the amount given in the balance sheet. It is 5 lakh. Then we have to see how much it is reduced. To equity share capital, it is given, it is reduced to equity shares to be reduced to shares of rupees 1 each. So number of share is 1 lakh. Now it is reduced to, it is given 1 rupee. That means 1 lakh. And then once again remaining balance should be transferred to reconstruction account. So to reconstruction account. To reconstruction account, 5 lakh minus 1 lakh, it will be 4 lakh. 4 lakh. So this is the second journal entry. Then we have to write the narration being equity shares are reduced to rupees 1 each. Then next it is given creditor to accept 14% debentures to the extent of half of their dues. That means creditors receive half of their amount in terms of debentures. Instead of cash, they are receiving the debentures. And the balance to be paid after 6 months. So, other half amount will be payable after 6 months. Because 6 months means after this balance sheet date. So that half is remaining creditors account. Then half should be added to debentures account. So now we have to pass a journal entry for transferring the creditors to debentures. So only half is transferred. So creditors account data, here only how much amount transferred to debenture is important. So capital reduction I already told you in the last class. It may be in the form share capital, debenture and creditors. So this creditors, half of the creditors. That means, see the creditors, it is 3 lakh into half. That means 1,50,000 should be transferred to debentures account. And remaining will be remained as it is in creditors in the balance sheet. Remaining is we have to show in the balance sheet. So here creditors account data to 14% debentures account. Debentures account 1,50,000. Being half of the amount due to the creditors paid in terms of debentures. So this is over. Next we have to see whether there is appreciation of asset or depreciation of asset. Next it is given stock to be reduced, that means depreciation by rupees 20,000, 29,000, machinery by rupees 60,000, tools by rupees 48,000 and RBD rupees 8,000 to be created. So this amount should be written off with the amount of reconstruction amount balance. So here always remember, when you are writing off the assets, first we have to take into consideration fictitious asset. Fictitious asset here it is goodwill, profit and loss account and preliminary expenses which is given in the asset side. That is profit and loss account given in the asset side only we have to take into consideration. So we have to first written off the fictitious asset, goodwill, then profit and loss account given in the balance sheet asset side, then preliminary expenses. First we have to see the amount given in the reconstruction account. See reconstruction account, you already written the journal entries. In first case it is 1,50,000. Next in the second case it is 4 lakh. So we can see the total of 5,50,000. With this 5,50,000, first write off the fictitious asset. So here it is given goodwill. So write goodwill account. It is 2 lakh. Goodwill account 2 lakh. Then any fictitious asset, yes, here it is given profit and loss account, to P&L account, 1,75,000. Then add all other assets which are reduced. So it is given stock reduced 29,000. To stock account 29,000. Next, machinery 60,000. To machinery 60,000. Next, tools 48,000. To tools account 48,000. To RBD 8,000. To RBD 8,000. So reconstruction account ಮೊದಲಿನ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಲಕ್ಷ ಉಂಟು, ಒಂದು 4 lakh ಉಂಟು. So 5,50,000. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಟಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Then we have to compare it. So debit side is more. Deduct it. The balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So the balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So this is the balancing figure. It is 30,000. Debit should be equal to credit. So from this reconstruction account, deduct this much. Then the balance is remaining 30,000. The balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So these are the journal entries. Then it is given past prepare the balance sheet. Here only we can prepare. See, this is the balance sheet. So now goodwill is over. It is written up fully. So don't write goodwill. No changes in land account. Land is not changed. No reduction in land. Then next one is machinery. It is given machinery reduced rupees 60,000. So it is within bracket 2,50,000. Then it is reduced to 60,000. So deduct 60,000. Then we get 1,90,000. 1,90,000. Like that tools, it is given in the balance sheet 1 lakh. Given in the adjustment, it is reduced to, how much it was reduced to? 48,000. Deduct 48,000. You will get 52,000. Right, 52,000. Then stock also. See, given in the balance sheet 1 lakh. So write within bracket 1 lakh. It is reduced to 29,000. So minus 29,000. You will get 71,000. 71,000. Next see debtors. In this debtors we have to deduct the RBD. So RBD is given 8,000. So 65,000 minus 8,000. We get 57,000. Then cash, no changes. So profit and loss account is written off. So leave it. If the asset is written off, then it not comes under new balance sheet. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಒಂದು asset written off ಆದರೆ goodwill ಮತ್ತು profit and loss account ಪುನಃ ಇದು ಹೊಸ balance sheet ಗೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Then see this side. Now here share capital, preferred share capital. See the balance sheet. See the balance sheet. It is given. See the journal entry number 1. Write 2 preferred share capital. That amount. So the preferred share capital account. See 2 preferred share capital. Now it is reduced to rupees 5. So now it is 1,50,000. 3 lakh ಇದನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು 1,50,000. So equity share capital. See the 2 equity share capital is 1 lakh. So write 1 lakh. Here number of shares is same. Here you should write the 30,000 preference shares. Here 1 lakh equity shares. Then here 14% debentures. It is already we have 2 lakh preference debentures plus creditors added to debentures. Half of the creditors. Half of the creditors is how much? 1,50,000. So for the old debentures 2 lakh, we have to add the half of the creditors which is paid through debentures. So now we are getting the debentures 3,50,000. Then we have to write the creditors. Half is paid through debenture. Then half is pending. So out of 3 lakh minus 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is remaining. Over. One item is there. In the journal entry, last journal entry we are written capital reserve. Reserve should be shown in the balance sheet. So here we have to show last item should be capital reserve. So capital reserve is 30,000. See the last journal entry, capital reserve. With this, the balance sheet is over. The total of the revised balance sheet is 7,80,000. Both side total is 7,80,000. So the problem is over. Thank you.